Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So I want to just give us an overview on how this tie was made. Now this is a monogrammed design, you know, so now the cutting remains the same. So you can use my previous videos on how to draft a top to draft it perfectly well. Now just cut it out in this form. Then once you have cut it out in this form, you then cut out a certain fabric. Now send it to where they do monogram. They charged me 5,000 naira for that design. So after which I brought it back and then I prepared it, folded the flap and the pockets, and then I started my normal gumming. So this is my sleeve, the same procedure I use in cutting a 3/4 sleeve. All these videos are available on my channel. You can check them out, in my previous cutting videos. Then here I have prepared, I am now stitching. So I place the pockets as at where needed, then which I have also made a video on how to position your pocket 7 inches down from the shoulder line. You place your pocket, then 1 inch away from the edge of the flap. Now you stitch your pocket in this form. Then after which the next to do is to join your turn up, which I have also made a video on how to prepare your turn up, right? Then you stitch it all through that way, and then you now stitch the second sleeve as well, which I have also shown you guys how to prepare your turn up, making sure that you use hemming gum to prepare the turn up. Then after that, you now bring the back facing and the back body. You install the fancy inner vintage material, just to beautify the inside of the neckline. You install it this way. The measurement can be 6 inches width but the depth of 7 inches. Then once you install it that way, the next to do is to bring your label. You fix your label at the center point, then come down by 3 inches. Stitch your label all through across. Your label must be your customized name, which you have as your business name or your company name. Then after which you cut your threads, then bring the front block, join together, then bring hemming gum, place it this way. Make sure you follow the same process I am undergoing now. Now this method will help you to achieve a neat finishing, just like what you saw on the first video or the beginning of the video. Then after this, now the next to do as well is to repeat the same process on the other shoulder. Using hemming gum to join the shoulder gives you a relaxation effect on the shoulder region, right? It makes the shoulder to relax properly. Then cut your threads, and then after which the next to do is to lock down the back facing. Now, coming to the back facing, you must make sure it's properly arranged or properly balanced. Don't allow any protrusion or any puff-up effects to be there, and don't allow air. Make sure it's flattened, then thread it all along that the back facing edge. You can decide to thread one line or second line or two lines, however. Then after that, you go and trim your neck. Now after your neck trimming, the next to do is to pipe. Now you bring your bias, and then which you have already folded. I also have a video on how to prepare your bias on this channel. So do make your way around the channel and locate these videos and watch them, right? So that you'll be able to achieve all of this with me. So now once the bias has been prepared, then make sure it's being folded at that edge. Now trim off any unevenness on the flap. Then you tape or pipe around the neck. Now this is just an insight on how the design was achieved. Then after this sewing tutorial, I've also made a video on how to press or iron, which is where most of us we find more interesting, to see how I ironed properly. And then if you're a fashion designer, you must be friendly with ironing. You don't have any excuse by making a cloth that is not properly ironed. So this is the trick I use in achieving my neatness, my finishing, and also my packaging. So do well as well to check the video on how to iron properly. So I think I will drop the link on the description box of this same video to enable you locate the video immediately, right? So now just try your best to follow the processes I am undergoing in this video for you to achieve the same result. Now make sure that your piping is properly positioned, then you tape or pipe all along that way, then also fold the edge and then fold it properly this way, and then you tape all through that way. Now when you are done doing this, now you can now decide to thread second line or third line. It helps the neckline, the piping to relax. So thread it second line at the tip and then the third line at the middle. Now these threadings are important as well. It helps the outfit to relax. Then when you are done doing this, now the next to do now is to fix your sleeve. Now sleeve fixing is very very important as well. Now notch the shoulder point and also notch your sleeve point. Now start fixing your sleeve. Now when fixing, make sure it's properly arranged. So now I am done making the clothes. So this is how it came out. Now I weaved everything. I did my finishing ironing. I put my pressing button. So these are the summary of the video you have just watched, how that cloth was made. And then this is where I keep my outfit for my photo shoot, for my video shoot and editing, right? So this is just an overview on how this style was achieved. So you also see it on my client's body, on the fitting, how lovely it was on him. So here comes my client. Look at how lovely the outfit is on him. He was very happy. He also went ahead to propose a partnership with me on fashion designing. I'll be the one to produce for him while he sells to his friends abroad. So this is what the benefit of a good tailoring or sewing or stitching can result. You tend to gain a lot, friendship, partnership, customers, family and friends. Everybody will come to your place to patronize you, to partner with you when you're good in what you are doing. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Do subscribe and give me a thumbs up and comment. Bye bye for now.